so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work.
Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun.
Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. Show you my dog.
I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina.
Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye-bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the yellow hat is. I found one near me. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis.
Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower?
What? None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you.
Yep. Oh, you can.
Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit.
Oh yeah. Big hug for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. What?
Hey, relax.
Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No! What?
Oh.
There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Sorry. Hello. Hi. Welcome to a Wednesday stream. Hi. Hello. How are y'all doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Welcome to the stream. Hello, Baza. Hello, Crow. Hello, May. Hello, Magnus. What the fuck? Hello. How are y'all doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Welcome to the stream. Today, you know, we're playing Pokemon. No other game but Pokemon. That's what we're doing today. That's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say really. Pokemon. That's Steve, sir. No, we have ended that chapter now. It's back to Baza. I'm wonderful, good. I'm glad. I'm very glad to hear. Yeah, put Steve to rest. Steve can't hold us anymore. We're safe, exactly. Oh, hello. I got you. Super Schwabity would stream for Arcane Underground today, but sadly not. No, because I think he's preparing for the gig that is happening whenever that is happening, right? Surely. Oh, he's just busy in general. November, that's the one. Oh, there's settings in this game? Maybe? Yes. Why? And now just a hair. I could just turn that. Actually, I could just turn this down a little bit more. Damn. Damp. Yeah, I mean, considering 3 of the 4 members of Arcane Underground are doing the concert, so you know. You're low energy today? Sorry, yeah. Just be like that. Finished my demo reel and recorded some takes for that audition, just waiting on the friend's feedback before submitting. Okay. Oh yeah. Hopefully it's good feedback. It's always good to have like someone else give you feedback, because like listening to yourself is a little bit, you know, you're gonna hate it or you're gonna love it too much, and you're not gonna like really pay attention to like anything what's wrong with it and stuff. So and those Stoops and Schwab is going, it's Rustage too, right? Yeah, Connor also exists, by the way. Yeah, Connor, Schwabity, and Rustage are going. I guess Stoops as well. Actually, it's all of them. But is the Pendium on that one? I thought they were doing the one that's on North. I thought Stupendium was doing that one and not the London one. Oh, they are. Yeah. Completely forgot about that. Connors and not with the ER, bro. Not the ER. My bad body autism creature the other day. I should make a crosshair autism creature. It's up to you. I know Connor exists. I know. You just mentioned Schwabity, Stoops, and Rustage, and not Connor, and I was like, did we just forget Connor Quest? I might miss bits and pieces of stream because I'm start work. You're fine. You're completely fine. I was just making a random guess. Right. Yeah, it's all of the group. I forgot that Stoops was also doing I forgot that Stoops was also doing the thing. I thought they were just doing enough, but yeah, fair enough. They are all doing it then. Probably actually getting all prepared. Oh no, wrong one. The guy's outside. And then we have 2 left. Oh, we can't get anything. It's fine. Just so anyone going to November, as if I didn't go to NPC. Yeah, you need to think that, you know, some of the people that are going to November probably didn't go to NPC because it's in America. So it's fine. Everyone sees everyone. I'm getting myself really hyped and nervous with an elf show. Gonna be my second concert after Weird Al 3-4 years ago. Wait, you've seen Weird Al? God damn. I wish I could have seen Weird Al. Hello. Excellent waiter. I love collecting Pokemon as much as I love waiting tables, maybe more. Do you understand? I'm saying I've collected all kinds of Pokemon, which means I'm strong. Knowing this, do you still wish to sample the pure power of my Pokemon? Sure. Present our main course of the evening, a promotion match. Main course? Well, I'm starving. I'll make it to the top of ZA Royale, just you wait and see. Once I'm rank A, I'm going to make restaurant Lena a 3-star establishment. Really? Within the same building as Weird Al? Oh my god. Weird Al is an amazing showman. They are, aren't they? I'm guessing that's grass, so we're gonna have to change Pokemon as soon as. They did lose health for that. Sorry if I'm not saying anything. I'm also like in the middle of concentrating. Are they gonna do? Oh, it's just the monkeys. That's fine. And that means the fire one is next, right? I should have fucking remembered. bought a variety of evolution stones to form a well-balanced team, yet we were overpowered. In any case, it's incredible that you could dodge my treasured Pokemon trio of mix of moves. Yay, we're promoted to V? Nice. Feel free to visit Alpine Establishment again and enjoy a nice meal. I look forward to serving you. Dog. Oh, for Tema, listen, I received the tip that the Pokemon I've been after is in your area right now, but... Z? Oh, Zygarde! What the fuck? You have to get all the way to rank A in this game, pretty much, yeah. It's the story. Oh, the main story. Like I just now, did you see what kind of Pokemon it came from? It's a full-legged Pokemon. Whatever you do, don't let that Pokemon out of your sight, Olaf. Based on its cry in your description, I have a reason to believe that the Pokemon near you is Zygarde in its 10% form. What could it be thinking? Oh, pardon me. Sorry. Why is Bungo? Why is Buckline? I don't know. It's. I think that's because I think that there is a meaning to it. It's because it's a like I think it's a gem or something. I don't know. I'm heading there now. Oh shit. Don't lose the sight of Zygarde. Charging port. Also, I'm sorry I'm very like... I'm sorry I'm ill right now. I don't know why I'm getting so ill. Come back here. Come back here. Don't burn away. Are you still in Zygarde's tail? I sure am. I can't even sprint. Try my best here. Is it gonna jump up? Is that why it's looking like up? Zeh. Oh. Oh. The serious Pokemon carries you to the roof. Absol. Jim, come out. Come out here. The dog ate the glowing orb of death again. Yeah, I can see it's made all its way all the way through. It's like those fucking like TikToks or like reels and shit where like the dog eats like a small kind of like a glowing ball and then you could see him literally fucking shitting it out. I'm sure I've liked one of those. Like your character's hair. Thank you. Thank you. If I was younger, I would probably go dual color again. But I feel like I'm nearing 30. I'm not gonna do it. Olaf, where's Zygarde? I'm picking up a strong surge of mega power. Absol up there, it looks like it's in pain. We gotta go help it. But how did you even get up on the roof? He needs a mega ring. How did you... Floa alerted me that there could be another case of rogue mega evolution here. Time is of the essence, we must leave this battle in Olaf's hands. Lucari, deliver this mega ring to Olaf. Rough. Olaf, that Absol is on the verge of falling prey to rogue mega evolution. To defeat a mega evolved Pokemon, you must wield the power of mega evolution itself. Gruff. Remember what I told you about Mega Evolution? Olaf, put on the Mega Ring. Lightning ring bug in the frog's gut type of deal. Yeah. What's your whimsy? There's no cutoff age for colored hair. So you could do split hair age, doesn't matter. I see 80-year-olds with purple hair. Well, yes, but it's more of a thing of having like split. I also after I dye my hair for it to be split, I would have to like probably shave it off to refresh it, and I know how much people don't want that. He's a mega ring is an interesting sentence to enter when you don't know what it is. Welcome, Lou. Welcome to Totally Nothing Crazy. It's also depressing to hear that in 6-7 years I won't be able to dye my hair because I'm old. It's fine. It's just me. I'm just me. I feel like if I dye my hair, people are gonna be like, "Oh yeah, you're doing it because to appeal to younger people or whatever." And I'm just like, no, because I just really like it. And I also feel like I'm gonna be slowly like fucking losing hair anyway. The upkeep is a nightmare for split. I did it once. No, actually, that's a lie. I did it twice. It wasn't terrible. It was more of a, like, it was a pain in the ass to actually do in the first place, considering the first time I did it, it was, homemade, to say the least. Actually, both times it was homemade. That was fun. Whoa. Did it the second time? You did. I think my sister did it the first time. You could be wrong. I can't remember. I think we'll find when I did it. You did great. I'm not saying you did awful. Just saying both times were homemade. I didn't get any like professional advice of being like, hey, you should do this and this. What analyze you from here? To face down a rogue mega evolved Pokemon, you must use Mega Evolution. The Mega Ring I gave you can hold mega power within it. When you attack rogue mega evolved Pokemon, orbs of mega power will spill out from them. Gather as many of those orbs as you can, and once you've maxed out your mega power, use that to... Okay. Jesus Christ. When Pokemon undergo Rogue Mega Evolution, they gain formidable strength and become hard to damage. You may not be able to defeat one without Mega Evolved Pokemon of your own. When you attack a Rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon, orbs of Mega Power will burst out of it. Collecting them will fill your Mega Ring with this power. Jesus Christ. Once your Mega Ring is fully charged, press... Yeah, cool. Too many, bro. Too much Mega. There's one thing you must remember. You must not let yourself fall during the battle. Dodge your foes' attacks if they might strike you. I do my best. Let's go. Sorry if I'm... Okay, good. I'm glad that it doesn't like show me the whole fucking animation again. It's actually really good. We did it. We did it. Hey guys, what if on Saturday I just do a chair stream? What if on Saturday I just do a chair stream where I just leave the camera on the chair and that's it. That's the stream. How does that sound? One of the variety mysterious mega stones and Absol holding this stone will be able to mega evolve in battle. Cool. Oh wow, Olaf, incredible. You're really an amazing trainer. I can't believe you managed to pacify that rogue Mega Absol. Do you get how big of a deal this is? You saved Absol from the pain of rogue Mega Evolution. But I wonder why Zygarde let you here in the first place. Sorry I'm late. Huh, Emma? Olaf, what are you doing here? Hold on, did Olaf take care of the rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon? Yeah, I'm saying, bro, Tony looks exactly like, fucking, what's her face from Wednesday, like the Netflix show. Enid. 100%. Just give her, like, more, like, modern clothing, and there you go. But how? You can't use Mega Evolution yet. Lent him Lucario and a Mega Ring. Olaf, let me catch you up on what's been going on so far. Essentially, the bond between the Pokemon and its trainer is what makes a Mega Evolution possible. But lately, there have been incidents in Lumiose where wild Pokemon who don't have a trainer are suddenly Mega Evolving on their own. We've been calling this Rogue Mega Evolution. Hold on, sorry, I'm gonna blow my nose real quick. Everyone cheer for Olaf blowing his nose. Listen, let me be. It was getting bad. There's a certain company that keeps a close eye on everything happening to get access to the information. We gotta keep on winning. In the ZA Royale, and that was Az's idea anyway. What do you mean? Remember I've talked about wanting to protect Lumios, right? Well, Rogue Mega Evolution is what we want to protect it from. Is this the Absol? Is this Absol the one that Rogue Mega evolved? Indeed. It seems to be grateful to Olaf for saving it from its suffering. Oh, am I gonna get it now? I will. Alright. Some twist of fate has led your paths to cross. Perhaps you should keep this Absol at your side. Fine by me. Fine by me, dude. Nice catch. Absol isn't a Pokemon you see around very much. They say our lives are defined by our encounters. Be sure to cherish this encounter with Absol. First you win the ZA Royale promotion match, now you handle a Rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon. Must be exhausted, let's head back to Hotel Z and get some rest. Sure thing. I'll quickly be back. A morning. Did you hear they were just saying on the news that Magenta Plaza and Jordan Plaza both got turned into wild zones? Boy, does this lobby ever start feeling empty when Leader and Naveen are both gone. Where's Naveen? Maybe he swung by his house. He mentioned needing to give something to his little sister. This one's like Vinny's calling. Hey, Vinny. Oh, got it. I'll bring it Olaf. And the guy who always calls when a text would be fine must be a corporate thing. Anyway, Vinny says he wants to talk to us about Rogue Mega Evolution. So you and I gotta head to Quasartico Inc. Quasartico. Olaf. Listen to the voice of Lumios. If you try, you can hear it through her Pokemon and people. Got it, Chief. Okay. So we have an Absol now. Level 30? Ooh. Who would we? Who would I rather? What does Absol have? Night / quick attack / sword stance. In the dark as well.
Olaf Blue live on stream and I missed it. Fuck.
Yeah, I did. Crazy. Hello, Proto. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. I guess I'll replace... I'll be fine with that. What do you want? Actually, you know what, Olaf, before you head out to Kozartico, I want to see you go if you'll put... Sure. Satchel... Oh, you're liking the new Pokemon? I'm loving it. I'm really loving it so far. The changes that they did for this game are really fucking good. Since Absol's holding its Absolite, you'll just need to press it when it's time to Mega Evolve. Okay? Yeah, it's genuinely, like, I'm really enjoying it so far. It's the same, it's pretty much like the same kind of like deal when I played Legends Arceus as well. When Legends Arceus was out, it came out, I enjoyed it a lot because of how fresh it felt. With this game, it's even better because it can say, like, the fact that you can style yourself to be like, you can have two-tone hair dye is crazy. I love it. It's a game of the year. I'm not gonna lose time to show off my own Mega Evolution. Holy smokes. Well done. But can you pet the dog? Mentally, yes. You even managed to beat me when I used Mega Evolution. That's incredible. Thank you. You gotta hang over using Mega Evolution quick. Another rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon appears, you'll be able to handle it, no problem. Let's head to Kozartico. It's the big white building in the Magenta District. Trust me, you'll know it when you see it. I wonder what it will look like inside, given that they make the holotech for the wild zones and stuff. It's the flattest 3D object I've ever seen. What is? Doggo? Oh, the electric, yeah. Are you gonna get angry at me? You are. Die. I'm sorry. Doov. Fucking Doov. I saw it. A shiny Mareep right here in Wild Zone 1. It was totally different color than usual, and it has to be shiny Pokemon, right? Was it really a shiny Mareep, or were my eyes playing tricks on me? At this rate, I won't be able to sleep tonight, no matter how many Mareep I count. Please, you need to help me. If you see a shiny Mareep in Wild Zone 1, please let me know. I'm gonna fucking... am I gonna plan to catch a fucking shiny Mareep? Whoa. I don't even know what a fucking shiny Mareep looks like. I'm gonna be like fucking hyper real here. Oh shit, wild Pokemon running around the city. I love the idea. Yeah, it's really good. It's one of the reasons why I'm enjoying like this so far. It's a Pichu there. Already got PG, it's fine. No! Fuck. That doesn't matter. Look over there, do you see the mound of dirt? I think a wild Pokemon has made its nest there. The problem is it's preventing anyone from using the Holovator. Could you chase the Pokemon away? I feel a little bad, but we don't really have a choice. Underneath the Holovator. A Pokemon has made its nest here. Do you want to battle and chase it away? Ooh. What is it? Oh, fuck! Dig! You sure did. Come on. The boy. Yeah, I named my starter Pokemon. Usually, like the ones that I initially choose, I could call them the boy. A Diggersby could dig its way from here from a wild zone. Anyway, thanks for sorting that out. Now we can use the Holovator. Don't worry about Diggersby's hole. I filled it up. Oh, you're battling. I can reach the rooftop too. Let's go. The boy's deployed, exactly. Listen, here's the highest level Pokemon I have, so yeah. Your dog is weird. I like him though. Thanks, man. I grew him myself. Yeah, this is like... I know it might be like too early to say, but like this is genuinely my favorite Pokemon game so far. It could also just be recency bias, pretty much. But I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it a lot. Oh, whoops. And, to be honest, like I said, I've said this yesterday, there has, like, there's been, like, minimal issues with it on the Switch, which I'm surprised about. So... that screw... screw. Cool. Welcome back, Crow. Welcome back. I overshot. God damn it. Hello again, Princess. Hello. Collapse feet. Oh, Princess. I don't know why Hello Princess is my thing now. Curiosity is, which I mean, because we just have some. You told me to come here. Wait. Oh. Oh shit. Team. Thanks for coming. Have you figured out what it is I need you for? No. Well, now. It's a dull response, isn't it? Fine, if you're going to be so boring, then I'll just get to the point. See, my predecessor left me with a little homework. Asked me to entrust some of this Pokemon to any interesting trainers I came across in my work. And despite your disappointing reaction just now, you're genuinely pretty interesting. Don't be shy, go on and choose one. Choose one?! Well, don't get upset at me. But there's one option for me. You look so... This is really weird, considering, like, I think this is, like, even more kind of, like... This is the best looking Bulbasaur I've seen in the fucking video game. That's a wide face. That's a wide face. That's the wide face that Bulbasaur has. It's crazy. The squad. Not saying it when I joined stream. Yeah, I was gonna say, is there any particular reason why? But yeah. To the feet clap guy, did you see the one where he left the video running and you see the character drop and he just regrets all of the like obviously. Bro, I have it favorited. Listen, I favorite any fucking video of his where he fucking laughs. It's so good. Judging he's so round. Listen, Charmander is like the most basic choice because everyone's gonna pick Charmander because of course they are. Squirtle, I like Squirtle, I like Blastoise, but like come on. Bulbasaur, to be honest, Bulbasaur is one of my favorite original starter. I say that as I have 1, 2, 3. I think I have 3 Bulbasaur plushies. Funnily enough, I have more Bulbasaurs than I have Weezings. It's a wide face, my guys. He is. Well, squishy, exactly. So I'm basic. SMH my head. Because listen, everyone chooses Charmander because they want Charizard. Bro, I don't give a shit about Charizard. Yes, he is like the Pokemon. But like, give some love to other ones as well. That, I mean, to be honest, that saying, my favorite starter of all time is fucking Rowlet. So I can't say anything, but still. I was gonna pick all the way and was back in I was gonna pick all the way back in Pokemon Blue with Squirtle. Love that boy, such memories. I get that. Just have a Cosmo plushie. Oh, I have so many plushies. I could show it to you guys, but I mean, Weezing is a bit harder to find, that's true. No, I don't evolve him because he's cute. You know what? Fair enough. Do you have a Forever Stone on him or whatever it's called? The thing that doesn't let you evolve them. I got 2 Pokemon Pikachu plushies. Pikachu is not my favorite Pokemon. No, I know. I remember. Yeah. Better be let me down for thinking you're actually any fun. Show this Bulbasaur a wide world of sights and new experiences. Bulbasaur, you are literally, I'm not even kidding, you are replacing my grass Pokemon that I have in my party right now. There needs to be more Growlithe love. Growlithe? The fucking dog Pokemon that has like the fucking big plushie. Humongous. No, that's the big plushie is the evolved version, isn't it? Yeah, so we're raising money to get myself a the life-size God of War plushie. It costs $500, but no reason why. I'm gonna wait until I'm actually gonna wait until I evolve the grass one.
Sus.
I'm gonna wait until I evolve him and then we can get him. Nine, 7. Did I get every Pokemon there? That's crazy. I'm not expecting that. I just realized what this fucking restaurant is called. Hey guys, should we go to restaurant La Yeah? Oh, the fuck? Let's see. What Pokemon plushies do I have? I have Bulbasaur as a plushie. Quaxley. The Galarian Weezing variant. I have Rowlet. I have Grookey, which is my biggest plush I have. I have Reggie, the Regigigas. I have, oh god, the final evolution of the turtle Pokemon. The turtle starter, I forgot. Final evolution of Turtwig. Torterra, that's the one. And I have a Weezing as well. Oh, and I have Teddiursa as well. I have a Squishmallow Teddiursa. Which I hold close. It's soft in computers. It's very nice. It's nice to like use as a pillow as well. It's getting nighttime. My Growlithe and my little Umbreon. Right. I would love to get like more Pokemon plushies. Just more of like Pokemon plushies that I like. I would love like one big one at some point. That'll be pretty pog. Just expensive they are. They very much are. Can't go that way. Oh lord, he coming. He fucking going. Oh fuck. I'm okay. I am okay. That is an alpha. That is an alpha, bro. No, I'm good. I'm okay. That is another one? Hello? I don't know if I can take it on. No. Why would I? Oh, Buffalo calzone from the store, so I didn't expect it to be that spicy, but she kind of spicy. That sounds so good. Oh, bye-bye. Bro, I would love a pizza. Thank you for reminding me that pizzas exist. You had to beat Calzone like 2 days ago. Okay. And it's not that's still would rather a pizza. That's for the pizza, don't even me. I still would rather get like pizza, bro. Don't at me. Let me want pizza, dude. Not so much to ask for. No, too much to ask for. Alright, we're not getting pizza when you're here. And if you're gonna ask why, too much to ask for. Oh fuck, it's a Sableye. What's your favorite pizzas? Good question. Probably like a meaty one or something. Meaty one's always kind of outgoated for me. The one I have in Poland is I usually have like, it's the one I usually have here is like cheese mixed with like chicken and the fuck is that Pokemon? Hello? Oh, Meowstic, okay. I was so confused for a second. I was like, what the fuck? But yeah, I usually have like a cheese pizza with onion and like chicken. It's so good. It is one of my favorites. Beams are nice, a little bit of everything. I haven't had meat lovers in a hot minute. Cat Pokemon, great cat Pokemon. We'll get it when we're like more leveled up. Veggie pizza, extra sweet corn. Ooh, that sounds good. You know, sometimes a veggie pizza hits good as well. I thought that was a Pokemon. No, it's just a reflection. I was so confused for a second. That was a raid. Is there any Pokemon that I would want here? Unless there's like coughing somewhere in these, I think I'm like mostly sorted with what I want. Like meat pizza, but there's something about veggie pizza just hits a spot, and I get that. Meat pizzas are starting to give me the ick as I get older. I think, like, if there's, like, too much meat, or, like, if it's, like, too greasy, then it's just a little bit... I'll tell you what kind of pizza I love. This is like... This one pizza that I do miss. This is one pizza that I do miss, especially like, especially like being in America, and also, yeah, I fucking miss Philly cheesesteak pizza. As much as like, oh yeah, you know, Philly cheesesteak pizza, literally not the best representation of Philly cheesesteak. However, I do miss Philly cheesesteak pizza every time I went, because every time I went to America and we had Domino's, I would get that. And I just like it a lot. So, the place here called Marco's Pizza, called Marco's Pizza, Cooking Garden, which has mushroom, black olives, onion, sliced tomatoes, and feta cheese on top of the usual cheese blend they have. I never had pizza before it, and it's been refreshing. Oh!
Nothing bad ever happens to the Kennedys!
Lucian with the raid. Yo, can we get a hype in the chat? Hello, Lucian. How was your stream? What were you streaming? How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Hello. Let me do a big shout out. There we go. How are you doing? How was your stream? How's it going, everyone? Hello, my name's Olaf. Based off, to be more exact. You can call me Olaf. Never call me Based. I will cry. I don't know what to say. Well, you currently caught us in the middle of talking about pizza. And I'm also playing Pokemon.
Based.
But yeah, that's, bro, that sounds like, there's like a Greek pizza. It sounds really good. But yeah, also if you need to go, you go sleep, go to the toilet, go do whatever you do it and stuff. Oh god, sorry. Much rather get buffalo chicken pizza as opposed to meat pizza. Wait, olives are all the devil. I don't like olives, to be honest, as well. The Domino's Italian range. God, I miss that shit every single day. But yeah, hi, we're talking about pizzas and I'm also playing Pokemon. If you don't want any Pokemon spoilers, you should probably, like, click off mostly because we're not too far in, but, like, we are, it is still spoilers. So, yeah. I love Mediterranean food pizza, that's fair. That's very fair. I would love a pizza right now. Chat. We should have a pizza day at some point. And by pizza day, I mean we all get pizza and we all watch a movie or something. That'll be fun. Thank you. I'm not even kidding. If I had more money and we had a pizza day, I would just buy everyone pizza, I'm not gonna lie. I would just like send money for everyone to get a pizza and then we just have pizza all together. But unfortunately, I can't even afford to buy myself a pizza. I say that, I can afford it, it's just more of a... I shouldn't. What the fuck? I'm guessing. Okay. But if I had the money, I would fucking like genuinely just be like, hey, pizza giveaway. And by pizza giveaway, I mean give me your fucking PayPals and I'll just pay for your pizzas, dude. More, I need Hotter Flame. I suppose I must have heard me talking loudly to myself there. The problem, you see, is that I can't get a hot enough flame in my kitchen. Little Leo here provides our firepower, and I can't burn at max heat until it lets loose in battle. I must ask for your help, kind stranger. Would you have a sizzling battle for movement? Yeah. Could do. I'm sorry, but I'm about to, like, give your, like, little lion Pokemon, like, genuinely the beating of his life. Oh, he's so cute. Well, not anymore. He's dead. Little gator water demon is giving his little fella PTSD in real life. Yeah, exactly. Just fucking murdering. No Pokemon don't die. Well, oh, he's alive. Wow. What an intense battle. I almost caught fire myself. How about it, little Leo? After a battle like that, I bet you can show me the hottest flames you can make, eh? Rawr! That's the spirit. We need your hottest flame if we want to grill today's steak just right. Thank you so much. Here's something for that fine battle. Use it for Pokemon that is burnt. Thanks, man. Back to the kitchen for us, Leo. My customers are today on luck. They'll be dining on steaks with the absolute perfect sear. Yeah, fuck you. Okay. Restaurant Lea. Oh, this was Restaurant Lea? Hey guys. I've come here to visit Restaurant Lea. I say here and maybe the customers will still calling me over. I don't think that's how it works, lady. But you know what? She's not healed. We might get pizza tonight. They got the spicy cheese blend option now. Tried it on their cheesy bread. It was good. Ooh. I was going to make a joke because it was spelled Layeb. Because I thought it would be spelled French. No, it's literally just called Layeb. Bro, it's literally called Layeb. Straight up. Pardon me. Side quest. See these little ones? They're Trubbish, they're trash bag Pokemon. They develop a taste for our cafe's food scraps, so they keep coming back. Happy they're like our food, don't get me wrong, but the smell Trubbish give off isn't exactly a crowd pleaser. We're starting to lose customers. Here's a thought. If it's our food these Trubbish are after, maybe we can use that to our advantage. I've made a nice bag of tasty trash using our food scraps. Do you think you could use it to lead the Trubbish over to the garbage bins? Sure. I hate video games, why am I here? Because I'm your favorite streamer, obviously. It would really help us out if you could lead the Trubbish away as soon as you can. Thanks, that's a big help. Trubbish will follow you as long as you're holding this. Make sure you walk slowly so the Trubbish don't lose you. Alright. The garbage bins are down this alleyway. Good luck. Taking my boys on a little stroll. They didn't know I was in game. Shush. Once I leave dicey trash here, drop it off. The Trubbish are wolfing down the tasty trash. Thank you so much for dropping off our trash. No from Trubbish shouldn't reach the cafe if they stay here. But gosh, look at them munching happily away. Makes you think, doesn't it? Coexisting with Pokemon doesn't just mean sharing the same space. I mean, these Trubbish love our food, just like humans do, but it wouldn't work to have them eat our cafe right next to the customers. Maybe coexisting with Pokemon sometimes means knowing the right distance to keep. Maybe. Oh, rare candy. Enough to level her up. Do you like how these side quests are building up the world? Yeah, they're really good. This Game Freak's trying to make a statement, probably coexist but not in the same space. Don't feed the bears and save the Amazon. I'm trying to do something, that's for sure. Well, they're begging to stop making escapes, maybe. Well, no, because Scarlet and Violet is not very much cityscape. Same with Legends Arceus, it wasn't a cityscape. This is the biggest kind of like in-city that they've made. Wait, I need to... Oh, okay. Interesting. So many goodies, yeah, they're just fucking like placed around, aren't they? It was a Quasartico building. It was only built about 3 years ago. So a vision of a city where people and Pokemon live in harmony. Nothing that big becomes a reality overnight. Bet people have been working on it a while. Dedenne guards, huh? Security guards? Yeah, these Dedenne aren't gonna let us by without a fight. What should we do? Gotta battle them. Agreed, we gotta get in. Dedenne guards on that. Crazy. Given our aims to coexist with Pokemon here in Lumiose, it seems fitting to employ some of them as guards, but it's less ideal if they're defeated. If you don't mind my asking, do you have an appointment here? We've been invited by Vinny. Vinny? As in the CEO secretary? He called for you? That's correct, I did. We have some important business to discuss. Business that will impact Quasartico, Inc. I'm sorry to rush you, but when you just wrapped up your battle with our guard Dedenne, but please join me at the battle court beside our building. There we go. Something between asking my mom for Chinese food or eating dumplings and garlic knots for dinner. Chinese food does sound good. And it's also filling. China. Please allow me to introduce myself once again. As I mentioned upon our first meeting, I'm Vinny, and I serve as a secretary to the CEO of Quasartico. Now I must indulge in a little story time. Last night, our organization detected a certain energy that we have been on the lookout for. We headed to the source of the energy at once. However, by the time we arrived at the site, it appeared someone had resolved the matter for us. Allow me to be direct in my inquiry. Do you know what became of the Absol that underwent Rogue Mega Evolution? It's with me now. Superbly done. Where's this going, Vinny? As you know, Quasartico Inc. has been tasked with carrying out this city's development. We became aware that these cases of rogue mega evolutions could impede our goals. As a result, we've been quietly working in the background trying and take care of any incidents. Yet these incidents have only increased and our teams are struggling to respond to them at all. And since Olaf here took care of the Absol, now you're interested in him? Superbly deduced, this is exactly right. You are truly a Pokemon trainer worthy of the Mega Ring that AAS trusted you. Jesus Christ, I'm struggling to speak here. Now, as I was saying, we had to consider creative solutions to our lack of internal human resources for this task. An idea was floated that perhaps we could ask strong Pokemon trainers in Lumiose for their aid. That is how the ZA Royale came to be. We have provided highly ranked participants with Mega Rings, partly at the behest of Az. He has made it clear to us that we must locate the strongest Mega Evolution user in the city. And I've been trying to get into the upper ranks myself, hoping that Quasartico would loop me in about cases of rogue Mega Evolution if I did. But Olaf and I are still rank V, which brings us to the main reason I summoned you here. One moment. I've taken care of the preparations that should appear on your end momentarily. This is a promotion match announcement for trainer rank Olaf rank V. The opponent for your next promotion match has been decided. You face trainer Vinny rank question mark. What the fuck? I really want my dumplings and garlic nuts, but I also haven't had Chinese in a while. You can have the dumplings and garlic nuts tomorrow, potentially. Trainer who wins won't be specially promoted to rank F. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're skipping ranks here. Jesus fuck. Wowie woo, fuck me. We're skipping a few letters of the alphabet here. So I'm gonna go piss. I'll be back in a hot second. I'm back, but I'm eating a Kit Kat bar, so I'm gonna mute whilst I eat this. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I bought like Kit Kats from the store because obviously it was Halloween and they were doing like a clearance for like Halloween stuff, so I just decided to buy like a pack of Kit Kats. So I was like, yeah, why not? Wait, it looks like both of us are having our next promotion match against Vinny. Yes, while Olaf may have already received a Mega Ring, we haven't yet had the chance to evaluate his fitness for taking care of rogue Mega Evolution incidents on his own. As the leader of Team MZ tourney, it would be more efficient if you could also receive direct updates from our team going forward. Yeah, I want to protect the people and Pokemon of Lumios, and that means helping out the poor Pokemon undergoing rogue Mega Evolutions. Looks like we'll need ourselves some challengers tickets, Olaf. I am. Give some time. Yeah. Hey chat, you know what you should do? You should subscribe to my Patreon, because tomorrow I will be tomorrow I'll be uploading my instrumental for my new song on there, which is very exciting. I type please. Okay. Albozo. Albozo. We're farming. We farming these people right now. Fucking flashbang, Jesus Christ. These, like, tickets are getting less and less, you're giving less and less points and stuff. Turn around. Hang up. Beedrill. sorry to disappoint you, but that your fucking visual is gonna die. Yikes. Oh, what the fuck? Of ambushing local children at night. Not my fault that they're fucking looking for a fight in a fucking... Last time news. Have any fighting moves? Wait. Hi, Money, oh no, laughing, I'm good, oh my god. Hi, Fire Tiger, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm good, I'm glad. No money on our left today. Just a small casual day today. Pardon me. Is that fucking Gibble? Oh shit, okay. There we go. Easy. Oh god. Bug. You have anything? Bonus cards. What do you got? Sneak up? Oh. Legend. Fire type moves, I'll take it. Super effective. Sneak up as well again. Goodbye. Victory. Take more of those. Electric type moves. Fuck. Dinner time, have a good rest of the stream. Okay, Crow, have a good dinner. Enjoy your food, take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next. Bye. Bye-bye. Riolu. Sorry, rest in peace. Sorry. Electric moves. Ooh. Alright, let's go back, see if there's any more. Oh, wait. Up. No. That tree saved its fucking life. Nice. Could get a little bit more. We could stop here. Water type moves. I need to quickly do this. I guess it doesn't fucking matter because there's nothing here. Alright, quick. Let's get those 60 coins and then we'll be done. Alright, one more. Namas. Namas. I should have used. Go on, who else? Evie. Do I have anyone? No, I don't. Yeah, well, doesn't matter. It don't matter, I guess. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, one more. Santum Gara? No! You're gonna kill me. Crazy, by the way. Crazy that he has a fucking tomb that genuinely kills people. Move that genuinely kills people. As a child, by the way. Crazy owls, crazy ones. They locked me in a room, a rubber room of rats, and the rats made me crazy. Hello, demon. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Don't know. $16K, okay. Ooh, 30K. Nice. pretty good. It's pretty good. Had the stream on in the background the whole time, just chilling. Fair enough. Just want it to be weekend. No, I get that. I get that. That's fair. Soon. Just tomorrow and the day after, and then it's the weekend. Such. Crazy. My body is just so beat up. Yeah. Can't wait to just like rest. You got this. I believe in you. You can survive until the weekend. Mystical fire. Flamethrower. Replace that and then. To that Pokemon Center. Flamethrower, I hardly know it. Ah! I'd like to buy. Give me like 40 Pokeballs. And then give me like 40 Great Balls. Pretty much paid off all the Pokeballs, to be honest. As I just said, I also got a new Digimon game now because Sally bought it today. Oh, how is it? Hope it's good. I don't know much about Digimon and the games, so I'm really like bad when it comes to that. I was gonna fucking scheduled another massage this weekend, fair enough. That's very fair. don't know, I don't play during the week. Fair enough. Well, let me know when you've played it, and then we'll know. I would like to know. Probably not gonna get it, but don't know much about. I know some people definitely play it and stuff. The Persona Ask RPG Digimon game? Okay. Interesting. So, turn-based combat. To say the least. I don't see if there's any, like, anything. It is described as Persona meets Pokemon. Interesting. Fair enough. It's really weird considering. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's basically just saying, yeah, it's just turn-based combat. I guess. It's a really, like, roundabout version of describing it as turn-based combat game. I do need to come here because the jacket is actually... Oh, no, I mean, I can buy the jacket. And nothing really stopping me from buying the jacket. And the extra social stuff, too. Fair enough. Yeah, still, I mean, it's basically just turn-based combat mixed with social stuff. Unless I can fuck the hot Digimon, I don't care. You know what I mean? Catch my drift. There you go, yeah, I don't really care. There's one so just I over fucking shot it. No! I'm so ass. And now to go back. I might spend the weekend trying to complete Borderlands 4. At least finally completing the run with one of my characters. Still yet to like complete the story, and I've been kind of I wouldn't say putting it off, it's more so of I've just barely had the time to like play it. Need to finish it with my first character so I can try the other ones. Need to finish it with Amon and then start like playing the other guys. And also fucking finally do Vault Hunter, like true Vault Hunter mode. Allow a trainer to face the dangers of this task if they might lack the necessary skill, not even one of Az's personal acquaintances. If you believe you're ready, please prove it to me in battle. You should know, however, that I also have the skill to defeat rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon. I'll take you on. Then let us begin. I'll win this battle for Lumiose. I'm sure you won't mind if I have a bit of fun as well. This is a Pokemon battle after all. Alright, we're about to fucking jump like 20 letters. Wrong character. Wrong Pokemon.
Can I pet that door open?
Can I pet that dog? Hello, Vesper. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Drampa? Fuck! Are you gonna fucking Mega Evolve him? For sure. Alphamidable, perhaps I put too great a burden on Bonnieri. It only just joined the team. Superbly fought. With this, I can now confidently say that you subduing that rogue Mega Absol was no fluke. Now processing your special promotion. Once you beat the main story and get Ultraviolet Hunter mode, you also unlock the Morrissey's Black Market vending machine access. Yeah, I know. I saw one of the YouTubers that I watch, or like streamers that I watch. Like talk about it and stuff. Okay, just played Grow My Garden with friends for 3 hours. Grow My Garden, what the fuck is that? Yeah, it was Bonnie Aries' fault, yeah. Obviously. Why wouldn't it be? Ugh. It's a game on Discord. Ah, fair enough. It's a bit of a, you know, jump, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, rank F, congrats, Olaf. Time for me to shoot straight up the ranks too. Can you please battle me in a promotion match? Also obtain the necessary challenges ticket on Tony. Very well, let us begin. You got your ass beat, dude. Jesus Christ. Trying to think of what to do on Saturday, considering people will be probably busy. I might God, I don't fucking have Game Pass installed. I don't have a Game Pass anymore. I might get myself Power Wash Sim 2. Just so I can play it at some point. But I don't know. Tony, I congratulate you both on your promotion to rank F. Do allow me to heal both of your teams before we continue on. True, I installed it, but I haven't loaded it up yet. Yeah. I fucking, yeah, because I unsubscribed from Game Pass until they like lower the prices of Ultimate again, or like until they lower the prices of Ultimate, I'm not gonna fucking subscribe. There's genuinely no point. It sucks, but there's not much I can do about it. Until they do that, I'm not gonna subscribe, which means I'm gonna have to like actually buy video games. Sucks ass. Not gonna lie. There's a TM for each of you, considering having a Pokemon learn the move that it contains. Safeguard. Now that you have joined the upper ranks, we can speak frankly about our next steps. Please join me inside as soon as you're ready. Please have a seat. What a building. If Quasartico got the cash to build this, I'm not surprised they got the ZA Royale to catch on so quick. Olaf, you had your rank raised, but I must confirm, do you agree to lend us aid to deal with cases of Rogue Mega Evolution when they arise? That's why I'm here. Such superb aplomb. Only a handful of people are aware of the crisis that Lumio City now faces, including whatever that said. While Quasartico Inc. has been providing highly ranked trainers with mega rings of our making, we've not divulged these sensitive truths to them. We must work in lockstep to resolve this current crisis without the people of the city coming to realize that they were ever in any danger. It's honestly amazing we managed to keep it from them so far for 2 entire years. 2 years? What do you mean 2 years? Yeah, 2 years ago is when it began for us. As I had realized that the city was in peril, so we approached Quasartico with a proposal. Knowing of our urban redevelopment efforts, he said that Lumios was crying out in pain. Can you even imagine the terror of being on the receiving end of a glare from that towering giant of a man? It was clear he was serious about his claims, so we began our own investigations into the matter. What we discovered was the existence of a mysterious power that with the potential to trigger rogue mega evolutions in Lumios City. We've been calling it Mega Power, but why is it accumulating here in Lumios? That is something our efforts still haven't been able to answer. And then 6 months ago, we witnessed a rogue mega evolution occurring for the first time. Az and his Floette did their utmost to pacify the poor Pokemon together, and yet Az unfortunately lacks the constitution for lengthy battles, which left us with little recourse. And that's when I stepped in to help. Wait, you were there? I took Az's place and battled alongside Floette. It took us all by surprise. I was desperate to help him somehow. He's done so much for me with the hotel and all, I knew I had to thank him somehow. Plus, it was Floette and her Light of Ruin that really saved the day. She was very special. That's how your friend Tawny there found out about the threat of Lumios and what inspired her to create this Team MZ, as you call it. She has put every effort into reaching the upper ranks in order to be in a better position to help us deal with these cases of rogue mega evolutions. And now you have made it to those very ranks. Tawny, Olaf, we will be depending on your strength. Vinny, who is that with you? Madam President, these are the 2 young trainers who have been working with Az. I see, lovely to meet you both. I must return to my duties now that President Jet has arrived. Please do excuse me. So Olaf, now you know why it's so important for Team MZ to be strong. Okay, should we think about heading back to the hotel? Yeah. Yes, queen. Change your mega shards here. I'll be exchanging for mega stones and more. Well, how about it? I'd like to exchange. Yes, please. Okay. XP candy, Pidgeonite or Pidgeotite, Mancentric, Houndoom, Monite, Ordinite, Lopunny, Sableknight, Sharpedo, Gyarados, Lucario, Heracross. Heracross would be nice. Oh, 240! Aerodactylite, Alakazite, Rampanite. Okay, so we need to save up for all of them, I guess. Phew, I was so on the edge meeting up in that fancy building. I feel like I just run a marathon. We should go grab some food. I'll meet you on Novo Cafe. That's the one right off Concentrico Plaza, remember? It's funny to think about all of that out of context of the game. What? The Mega Stones? Question mark? To be honest, because I haven't like fucking played oh, I need you. But you were there 6 months ago, yeah, I took it as his place when he got too tired. Congrats, now you're high enough rank to really rely on and to come for help. So for 6 months, working to get stronger to help with everything. Tony was still rank Z until you came along or whatever. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Bro was doing nothing. Okay. I guess I'm the main motivator for these things. People just see me and they're like, I need to get my shit together. That makes more heartening than earning a tiny sum in the battle zone. Maybe more of these super potions. Bingo. And a whole ton in one night to earn big bucks. And if you don't want to waste your time running back to the Pokemon Center, use potion. Yeah, I know. Oh, hello. What now? Hey, Naveen, mind if we eat with you? I'm done eating, actually. What I'd really like is to enjoy some post-meal alone time. But more importantly, are you sure you know what you're doing? What do you mean? If you keep winning your way up the ranks in the ZA Real, eventually you have to face the gamer prodigy, the streaming sensation of the keyboard legions. You're going to have to battle Canary. Who? What? Have you not heard of her? She's an electrifying streamer who slings cutting commentary in her snarky yet affectionate tone. She's a bold, vibrant vision of her streetwear and in her gameplay. So daring, so dynamic. She's not just a local Lumio star either. Her streams and skill are taking all of Kalos by storm. Sorry, hold on. So tell me, do you really plan on battling Canary? Dat Canary? D Canary? I mean, yeah, we won't reach rank A if we don't. You mustn't. A Pokemon battle with Canary? The nerve. The closest we fans could ever get to her is perhaps claiming a Canary plush in exchange for colorful screws. It wouldn't be proper for the likes of us to even enter her orbit. Sorry about Naveen, he's a big time Canary fan. Though for some reason he's not, oh whatever. They're called Dynamo because Electros, Canary's partner Pokemon, evolves to Dynamo. And the A in the name is a 4 to make it a gamery, I guess. Because I'm not a member of Dynamo. If I join now, they'd think I'm some common bandwagoner, not a diehard fan I am. There's more to the fandom than being in the official club anyway. To me, what matters is watching all her content and learning all there is to know about her. Then I can design amazing outfits that she could wear on her streams. Parasocial much? That's the dream, at least. Shit, Pokemon have streamers now? GG series over, got too real. Yeah, it had streamers. Yeah, because it had a streamer in Pokemon Violet as well. Scarlet and Violet, they had Iota, what it was called. In the last game too, they were also electric base. Yeah, Iona, yeah. which is very funny, considering this one is also electric based. It's the dream, at least. Isn't part of her appeal the fact that she just always wears her own regular clothes on stream? What do you know anyway? Would you deny my humble dream to design an outfit for someone I so admire? Hold on that thought for a second, Vinny schooling. We detected a high concentration of mega power, so you found some already? Well, Vinny, you do your job quick. Understood, Team MZ. We'll figure out how to take care of this. Talk to you later. Sounds like they've pinpointed some areas where a Pokemon that's likely to rogue Mega evolve. Does this mean we have to have some kind of strategy meeting? That's right, let's all head back to Hotel Z. Yeah, I think they're modernizing the Pokemon, which isn't that bad. Sorry. My back's been itching a lot. Need you. Wasting great balls on them, but it's fine. Side quest. Is that a Mega Magic or Alpha Magikarp? It is. Hello. The most recently shown on cafes, as I'm sure you've seen, the competition is fierce. That's why we're creating a new menu item to help us stand out. What we landed on is Pansage, Pansy, and Panpour. Three similar seeming Pokemon have some rather exciting and unique traits, you see. The leaves on Pansage's head can relieve fatigue. The tuft on Pansy's head contains a flame that burns at around 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and the water stored in the tuft of Panpour's head is packed full of nutrients. In short, revitalizing leaves, nutrient-rich water, and flames at an ideal temperature. Yes, if we combine each of these Pokemon's special traits, we should achieve the perfect cup of tea. Please, could you catch these 3 Pokemon so I can briefly borrow? In return, I'll treat you to the very first cup of the perfect tea we'll make. Could always buy more, I could. 316 C. That's a lot. I do have, I think I have Pansage and Pansear. I just don't have Panpour. Or whichever one, I don't remember. Because you're Panpour. I am. Which is funny considering Pan in Polish is Mr. So I am Mr. Paul. Which is true. Bum, 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 bum. Wait, does that mean... Okay, I was gonna say, do I have access to Ultra Balls already? No, I don't. Considering I'm rank F. if you save, yeah. Gonna, like, level 60. Level 60 doesn't mean shit for the pure reason that it's like, I don't have, like, the XP candy for that kind of stuff. Like, I'm gonna be real. Scarlet and Violet, at this point, yes, I would have, like, Pokemon that I could, like, genuinely easily just fucking, easily do that. With this one, it's a little bit more difficult. That was an accent. Don't pay attention to that. True, but if you grind money at night, they will be higher. Yeah, I mean, that's if I just like spend the nights just grinding and not yeah. Which at this point I haven't been doing yet. But maybe like at some point off stream I'll probably like start doing that. Into the first strategy meeting, yeah. You know our dining room? Guess what? It doubles as a Team MZ strategy meeting room. Would you give me a moment before you go in? No problem, what's up? This should do it. Thank you all for waiting. You can come in now. Quasartigo has thrown their support behind Tawny and Olaf. Now it's time to start tackling the rogue mega evolution problem in earnest. So I figured we could use something like this. Hell yeah. It's Team MZ's flag, complete with our logo. Amazing. With sewing skills like these, you can see why everyone loves Naveen's work, right? You're so talented, Naveen. Can I get stuff from you, bro? This is sort of my thing after all. Not to be a buzzkill or anything, but should we get the strategy meeting now? I was just gonna say that, leader. You beat me to it. Leader. Okay, I hereby call the strategy meeting in order. According to the intel we got from Vinny, rogue mega evolving Pokemon are probably going to appear in 3 locations. First one is Aimless Park in the Blue District. This one's probably going to be a Slowbro. Second is Jawn Sector 3, where we can expect a camera up to be a problem. And the third is Magenta Sector 9, where our target should be a Victory Bell. Notice anything, Naveen? No, nothing in particular. Come on, Naveen, nothing at all. Go on then, team leader, step up and explain it for everybody if Naveen's too distracted. The places where the Slowbro is supposed to go rogue in the Blue District isn't far from the Stone Emporium on Vernal Avenue. I see, if a rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon damaged the Stone Emporium, we might not be able to shop there anymore. Which would mean losing us also valuable Mega Stones. Yep, what Naveen said. We might want to stop by the Stone Emporium to stock up on Mega Stones sometime soon. I bet that would help us with all these rogue Pokemon. What do you think, Olaf? Does the Emporium have insurance? That's your takeaway? Oh no. What's up? I must miss the start of Canary's daily stream. Naveen, we're literally in the middle of a strategy meeting. Just watch the archive stream later. Clearly you don't understand. You can't savor being part of the chat when you're watching from the archive. Surely you agree, Olaf. Spoken like a true fan. I guess there's more to watching a stream than just sitting there looking. Don't let him sidetrack you, Lida. Remember the strategy meeting. I think we should split up and each head to a different Pokemon's location. Then Olaf can circle around and lend some firepower at each spot. Sound good? How come? Is he super talented trainer and we all feel better off with him fighting at our sides? I get where Tony's coming from, but that's a lot of pressure. Are you okay with that plan, Olaf? Let's give it a try. If you say so, then I guess. Naveen, make sure you pull your weight. Don't just let Olaf handle everything. Got it? No way. What now? You now reacted to something I said in chat. Whoa, that's a mate. Oh wait, Naveen, we're still in the strategy meeting. Seriously, just watch it in the archive. We've been over this. I couldn't have had the moment in chat just now if I were watching it after the fact. Maybe you got a point. Okay, Naveen, leader. We know what species of Pokemon we're after and where they'll be. We should all look into Pokemon species that are supposed to Rogue Mega Evolve, so we'll have some solid strategies to deal with them. I guess that makes sense. Well, Olaf, since you have 3 targets, let's break this up into 3 missions. Number 1, pacify the Rogue Mega Evolving Slowbro in Aimless Park. Tony will head to that one first. Number 2, pacify the Rogue Mega Camerupt. That should be on the rooftop in Jaune Sector 3. I'll take point on this one. And number 3 will be Magenta Sector 9's Rogue Mega Victory Ball. That's you, Naveen. Rogue Mega Evolution is a painful for Pokemon, and in their plan they might end up hurting whoever or whatever is around them. We gotta help everyone we can, Pokemon and people alike. That's it for our strategy meeting. Wanna watch the rest of Canary stream together, Naveen? No thank you. I prefer watching Canary streams on my own. Crazy. Have I received word from Vinny? So you have committed yourself to saving the Pokemon suffering from Rogue Mega Evolution. If that's the case, you should have this. Yes! Final evolution of the Totodile you received is the Pokemon Feraligatr. Feraligatr is capable of Mega Evolution. If you give that give it that Feraligatr to hold. Jesus Christ. I noticed some smiling faces here at the hotel since you arrived, Olaf. I think this is because you help bring people and Pokemon closer together, even if you don't realize yourself. But listen well, Olaf, people and Pokemon finding a way to live together in this city will be the test that decides the future survival of both. That is why we must protect Lumiosa's Pokemon and people, to bring about a bright future for all. Kukuru. Sometimes you may have several main missions become available at once. Yeah. Okay, let's... Satchel... Give it to... Feraligatr. Alright. Oh, Restaurant Lana, by the way. We have Restaurant La Yeah and Restaurant Lana. It's crazy. In the restaurant Lana, our flavors will never overwhelm your palate. We are delighted. Sure, I'll try it. Zero, please follow me this way. The first course we humbly present Audrey's Pokemon. Bon appetit! Bye bye. Oh. Second course we humbly Thomas's Pokemon. Bon appetit. Nice. You have honed your palate enough to appreciate your truly fine dishes. Final, for the third course, we humbly present Thierry's Pokemon. Bon appetit. Elbows up. I was defeated by my insatiable hunger for a battle I could savor. Magnifique. Here's a little show of appreciation for you fully savoring all our restaurant has to offer. 300 Poké-Dollars? We do ask to pay the usual 3,000 from the your next visit on, but I hope you'll visit. Yep. Sure thing. The camera up. Wah, 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 wah. Victory Bell, and this one is Slowbro. Just check the laboratory. Hi there, I'm a specialist in restoring Pokemon fossils. Did you know that the Stone Emporium here in Lumios has 2 varieties of fossils for sale? The Jewel Fossil and Sail Fossil. I've had my eye on them for a while now, but I just can't decide which one to get. You mind picking one out for me to break the deadlock? Choose whichever one you like. Once you bought either Jewel Fossil or Sail Fossil, please bring it back to me, just so you know the Stone Emporium is over by on the Vernal Avenue. I actually want to go there so I can get a Mega Stone. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, this looks good, doesn't it? That's what I liked. Oh, that sounds like... Alright, Stone Emporium. Gengarite. Medicham. That's a Bomber Snow. Scissor. Garchomp. Steelix. Kangaskhan, Charizardite, Blastoise. Wait, is there no... Venusaur? Am I stupid? Come to a certain conclusion when it comes to Pokemon types. It's that normal type is the greatest type. After all, per normal type Pokemon have almost no weaknesses. Using normal types basically sets you up to have an advantage against any other Pokemon. I've traveled all over the sort of battle against all kinds of Pokemon, so I know what I'm saying. How about I prove my theory to you in battle? Okay. When you're ready to help. Alright, buddy. If you fucking say so, I don't know. Let's mega evolve him. Show him who's boss. It's maybe a little bit of a struggle, but it's fine. Never mind. Oh, I know what you are. You own a Lopunny? Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay. Alright, normal times aren't normally known for clinching a victory, are they? No. I guess it's unavoidable that a trainer has to care about top matchups after all. But you see... I just can't remember them all. There are too many types in combination that's impossible. Go on, admit it. You haven't memorized every possible matchup type either, have you? Well, not exactly. That's why I thought none of us have. But I think I'll stick with normal types. They may not be the greatest, but at least they're adaptable to all kinds of situations. Though there is one type of that normal type moves are completely ineffective against, and the dreaded ghost type. Only normal type moves worked on ghost types, then my team would be ready for any opponent. Yeah. I'm so sorry to disappoint you, my guy. It happens. The heart is mine. It's the move that can catch someone's heart and never let it go. Electro Web. Oh, Iono mention. Speaking of, Iono mention. So Quilladin evolve time. Let's go. Ugh. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I don't like how fucking bold it looks, dude. It looks so funny bold. It genuinely looks like I'm currently like having the bold guy down the street, man. I'm sorry, you are getting replaced. I just wanted I just wanted you to evolve, and there we go. That's all I care about. Okay, we have Pansear and Panpour. Alright, Bulbasaur, get ready to be hardcore fucking leveled up in there. Jesus Christ. Ice Punch. Sure. Here you go, buddy. Buy one of the hostels, yeah. Here's the self hustle. Thank you so much. I'll start right away. Wait here just a second. Voila, the Pokemon from the sale fossil is Amora. On reflection, I think you should be the one to raise this, Amora. You were very kind to carry out my odd request. That makes you a trustworthy trainer in my book. If you bring me more fossils or even some amber, I'll gladly restore them for you anytime. I wish I knew that. Okay, I'm gonna go quickly to the store. And I'll get it right away, actually. I don't even fucking... I have enough money to get all of the things, I think. Fashion stylist, the current trend of the fashionista mind is you. To commemorate this mode of meeting of minds, I'll give you a complete fashion makeover. Don't sweat the details there, I'll lend you the garments for your new ensemble free of charge. How about it? Care for a head-to-toe fashion makeover? Sure. There's one thing I should mention, you're free to change your clothing at any time, like, naturally, but I'll take back my outfit if you do. Do you accept these terms? Sure. That looked fucking dreadful, I'm not gonna lie. Never fucking design again. With all due love and respect. Never design again. Laboratory. Alright. Geo fossil. Success, your Geo fossil has been restored to a tyrant. Oh! The fossil gets to be a living Pokemon, take good care of it. Find any fossil armor, bring it to me. Aerodactyl, let's go. Yep. Okay, Aerodactyl is 100%. Who does it replace though? Probably Ampharos, right? Although having an electric Pokemon is pretty good. I want to keep Heracross. I really want to keep Heracross. Absol's good because it's decisions. I'll leave this. Why not? To the lobby. And then let's do this, and then I'll be done for today. I think it's a relatively good stopping point, in my opinion. Oh fuck, I don't have a fucking good shit. Thank you for coming, Olaf. Looks like that Slowbro there is on the verge of Rogue Mega Evolutioning. Oh. Concentration of Mega Power in your vicinity is rising rapidly. Rogue Mega Evolution is imminent. The main thing about Mega Slowbro is that it's got really high defense, so we gotta Mega Evolve our Pokemon and use plus moves to handle it. I'll go ahead and heal your Pokemon. Thank you. What the fuck? Use moves as plus moves to increase their strength by draining some power of from your Mega Ring. Only moves with a plus move mod can be used as plus moves. During battle, press plus before choosing the move to use it as a plus move. While a Pokemon is Mega Evolved, its moves are automatically used as well. Okay. Come on. Should have gotten a fucking, like, a grass Pokemon. I mean, I do have a grass Pokemon, just... one that is not really leveled properly. The Mega Boy. That's him. Oh, 15 days. Jesus, the 15 streak. God damn. It's more than I watch my own streams. Get him! Let's go! Oh my god. Slow bro night. Thanks, man. Way to go, slow bro night, huh? If you have a slow bro, hold on. Have a slow bro, hold that. It can mega evolve and help us take on rogue Pokemon. The boy and the others did great too. I'll heal them up. Thank you. Got to help everyone we can, the Pokemon and people alike. Good luck with you. Other Pokemon. This is great. However, I do need more. I need more stones. Shit. Wrong button. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Bum, 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 bum. Razor leaf. Fuck. Keep on pressing the wrong fucking button, dude. This feels good. Okay. Just need to level up my Pokemon, that's pretty much it. I think I could reach that. Has to be a way to climb up, I guess. Unless there's a ladder here, there is not. There we go. Should I do some fighting whilst we're here? Should I not? That's the big question. Where is it? It's like down here. I don't know if I want to right now. I think what I ultimately really want is just to get like the Mega Stones and stuff for Pokemon that I use. None of these I use. Sableye I have. Lucario. I do have Heracross. And I do have Aerodactyl. The question is, do I get a Aerodactyl or do I get... Well, actually, Heracross is way better in the sense that I just have him at the level I want him. Aerodactyl was still level 20, so it doesn't fucking matter. say this as if... Yeah, there you go. Alright. Let's get the camera up. The camera up is going to be like relatively easy for the pure reason that Pro Alligator is they're weak to water, so it's fine. Be great. Oh. Well, if it ain't the Hotel Z kid. Yeah, quite the hot topic these days. I'm a hot topic. Everyone's talking about the trainers who shut up the ranks in a flash. I hear about this stuff because I'm entered in the ZA Royale myself, you see. So tell me, what's a trainer like yourself doing in a place like this? We're gonna be tinkering with the scaffolding, so can I ask you to make like lightning and bolt? A dangerous Pokemon's up here. Dangerous, thanks kid, but in our line of work we're a hair away from danger every day. Don't like getting rough with folks, but we got a job to do, see? If you're gonna get in our way, I'll get one of these better fellas to battle you. I'll battle. Been like a big shot after your rise in the ranks. Alright, let's show this kid. I don't... You don't want to battle me, I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. You really don't want to do this. Fucking sperm fish. Get the fuck out of here, dude. No wonder everyone's talking about you. You think? Sorry, boss, I lost. They're not bad, kid. I can see how you managed to leap up in the ranks now. Yeah, let me hear your Pokemon Tool projects for challenging you out of the blue like that. You beat us fair and square, so we get out of your hair. Alright, crew, let's clear out. I'm here, and I guess that's the Pokemon that's set to Rogue Mega Evolve must be up above us, huh? Oh, we're gonna climb this? Guess we gotta. After all, there's a Rogue Mega Evolving Pokemon up there that needs our help. Don't know if climb up. You have to climb up as well. Also evolve. Ivysaur. Bulb evolve. He's Bulb evolved. good? Who thought that scaffolding was a good idea? Do you think we'll really find a Pokemon about to Rogue Mega Evolve up on this random rooftop? Wait, there's a camera up? It's really here. I do not see what happened. I do not want to see what happens if we get knocked off the roof by an attack. But I guess it should be fine, huh? Our rotom phones will always save us. Let's save that camera up. Let's give it all we got. Okay, yeah. Let's go. I don't think I've seen the Mega Evolution of camera up. Okay, hello. Oh, I see it. Bro, you got a fucking crab. You got a literal lobster. This much, so much easier considering I have literally a Pokemon who is very effective against him. Close. Very close. Looks like it's over. You really are kind of a secret weapon now. I get what Tony's been saying. Your Pokemon were great out there, especially your partnered boy. Looking up your Pokemon, Elida to the rescue. In the last case of the Rogue Mega Evolution we need to deal with, please help the remaining Pokemon Olaf. Alright. Yeah, and this one's going to be much more of a struggle because it's leaf against, or grass against water. not good. I'm not going to lie. It's in fact quite the fucking opposite. Okay. And the last one is here. Okay. Let's just get to here. So we can unlock the Pokemon Center there. I'm gonna head out. You have a good night. Enjoy the game. Okay, Proto. Thank you very much for stopping by, and I'll see you whenever I see you next. Ooh! Bum. Sorry, I saw monkey and I was like, do I have that monkey? And I do. Oh, this is a whole fucking parkour course. Hello? Jesus. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hello. Thank you. I don't know if that was meant to happen, but okay. How the fuck am I meant to get up here? I guess get on that building, but like... Yeah, whatever. I say that as I'm actually going on the sea. Alpha Cocoon it, bro. I'll let it chill. Don't really care. Ultra Ball. Ghastly. Oh. Big mega shard thing. Alright, let's see. Wait, did I fuck up? No, I didn't. Just wait until the day arrives. Oh, God. So sorry. I'm teetering on the edge. But is there no way to, like, get up here? What are you telling me? Oh, whatever. Alright, how lucky for us that Victory Bell decided to show up in the courtyard. We may be able to take care of things before anyone even notices. Rogue Mega Evolution is like something out of a nightmare. Pokemon Mega Evolving with no trainer and simply suffering. I'll help take care of that, or whatever he said. Alright, this one's gonna be a little bit tough. Bless you. What a fucking design, dude. Jesus Christ. I don't know what they were cooking with this one, but they were definitely doing something. And this is one thing that I'm genuinely... Unless I'm missing something... There's no way of, healing unless you're... Come on. There we go. Victory Bell Light. Let me heal your Pokemon. Thank you. Got Victory Bellite Stone. Well, if you're itching to try it, you got a Weeping Bell. You can evolve Weeping Bell into Victory Bell by using a Leaf Stone. That aside, why do Mega Stones appear when we pacify rogue Pokemon? What could it mean? Perhaps we could learn something about Mega Stones if we asked Az. We've calmed all the rogue Pokemon, right? I'll head back to Hotel Z first in that case. No remaining. Yep. Okay, let's save it here. Let's save it here, and then we'll continue this on Friday? Question mark? Probably, highly likely. Who knows? There's a chance. I say there's a chance. There probably is a highly likely chance I might play like off stream, do some side missions, maybe level up some Pokemon and shit. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. I mean, tomorrow is Patreon, so I have pretty much like stream time, usual stream time to play that. So we'll see. Anyway, it's gonna be it for me for today. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. You all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves. You're beautiful, fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, just beautiful, fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. Tomorrow, Patreon, and then Friday, we'll continue Pokemon. But yeah, that'll be all for me for today. I'll leave you all for tonight. Take care.